I'm Glenn Phillips with Castle USA, and today I'm going to show you the 88 race assembly table. One of the great things about this table is the ease of which the arm moves back and forth. You can see very smooth there. You can also adjust the clamp heights very easy as well. The table includes two regulators. The top regulator that you see here adjusts the air pressure for the clamps you have here. The air regulator here adjusts the air pressure for the drill in case you go from a softer or harder wood and you need more or less torque. The table also includes an open back you see here. If you have a bigger piece of stock, bigger piece of panel that's going to go through the back, you can put it through the back there. So real quickly I'm just going to show you some of the operation of the table. So you also have a alignment bracket here so that you can push the wood up flush here, pull the arm over here. You can adjust these clamps however you want. You can see here, got that clamped, and you're ready to assemble. Another important feature of this table is that it's designed so that screws that you may drop during the assembly process will actually fall through the cracks rather than getting hung up here on the bottom. If you have any questions about the 88 race table, feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call, and we'd love to help.